What's going on, guys? Today we got the Hyundai Veloster in the shop, and brought it in the shop to keep it out of the wind, keep all the dirt off of it, because today we are going to be restoring all the exterior plastic on the car. All my interior plastic's pretty good to go, so I'm not going to worry about that, but yeah, we're about to get right to it. We got the Car Guys Plastic Restoration, or Plastic Restorer. So this was like rated #1 online, so this is why I ordered it. So yeah, I'll let you guys decide if it's good or not at the end of the video. There's some plastic that's pretty sun faded on this. I'll go through that in a minute though. So we got the plastic restoration, we got shop towels, we're gonna need those. These are microfiber shop towels. And for the cleaning, you gotta clean the plastic really good before you put the plastic restoration on it. If you don't clean the plastic really well before you put the plastic restoration on, you're going to get oils and dirt and everything. So the restorer isn't going to be able to seep into the actual pores of the plastic good enough and have that lasting effect. So we're getting a cleaner. You're going to want to pick a cleaner that's an all-purpose style cleaner. Doesn't have any UV protection in it or anything like that. So I went with Turtle Wax on this one, the quick and easy dash and glass interior detailer. That's that. So we're going to be using that. Before I brought the car in here, I actually took it to the car wash, sprayed it down real well, and got all the loose dirt off of the plastic. So all the loose dirt is gone, but we're going to make sure that the plastic is nice and clean before we put the restorer on there. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so now that everything's clean, we're going to start with the worst sun-faded part. It's probably the part that gets the most sun out of any car. It's the front plastic piece here where the windshield wipers are. This is the original plastic. I don't know if you can see that, how dark it is. And then this is just Garbaggio pretty much. So, and then the second part that gets the most sun for my car anyways is these protectors. They're pretty faded out, even though they don't really look too faded out right now. And of course, this rubber. So this restore is actually good for rubber as well, and for interior too. Yeah, made from plastic, rubber, or vinyl. Yep, for inside or outside the vehicle. So yeah, but we're just gonna do the outside, and we're gonna start with this plastic piece. So here we go. Let's get it. Okay guys, so once you got all of the Restore on all the plastics that you want, you're going to want to wait, I think it's 20, 30 minutes. I'm going to wait a little longer. I'm probably going to wait like 40 minutes to make sure it all gets seeped in. Make sure you do not take the vehicle out and get it dirty, because you're going to instantly become one of those people in the bad reviews, and you're going to be pissed. So yeah, let it seep in, let the plastic soak it in real good, and then the next step is really crucial, like I said, for you to get the best results. So yeah, we're just going to wait till this plastic seeps it in. It's already looking really good. Yeah, it's already looking really good. All the plastic and rubber looks pretty much brand new again. Looking real good. Looking real dark. Real dark. Especially that, oh man, this is the most satisfying part right here, that strip. Ooh. And this part, ooh, just blacked out again. Blacked out again. So now it's been 30 minutes, some areas a little longer, like 45 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get a couple of clean towels. I got the microfiber ones. I made sure I bought extra. Just some microfiber towels from O'Reilly's. And you're gonna wanna go through the whole thing and just, boom, wipe all the excess off that you can get off. All of it. Just go through the whole thing and just wipe it down once with one clean rag, and then go again with another clean rag and wipe it again. Because I guarantee if you pull this thing out of here and you drive down the road and there's still some Restore on there, every single freaking particle of dirt and garbage is going to stick to that. And then you're going to stop and get out and be like, what the hell? But yeah, so wipe it all down once, wipe it all down twice, and you should be good to go. Everything should look good. Of course, you want to get it off your paint, your glass, and all that, the smearing and smudging. I plan on washing it tomorrow anyways. So let me wipe this baby down, then we'll have one final look at the results, and then we'll be good to go. I just finished wiping down the car, and I used the Restore kind of generously, so I went ahead and wiped it down a third time just to make sure I didn't miss any freaking globs. I got a 30-minute drive home from the shop, so I don't want to get home and find a bunch of crap stuck and all that. So anyways, but yeah, other than that, this worked really good. All the plastic that was completely sun worn is like restored, looks brand new, looks great. 100% recommend so far anyways. Yeah, there's the little vent decals. Yeah, look at that. That looks great. Yeah, super healthy again. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Rubber's good, top seal. Black again, black again. I think I kind of got this a little off as far as the coating. That would probably be the only thing I'd say is like the pad was kind of thin. Yeah, black again. This stuff down here wasn't too sun damaged. This was all pretty good still. But yeah, these pieces here, that blackened up really nice. All the rubber, all the door jamb areas. But yeah, this piece was the main piece that was really sun faded, and it looks great now. And the vents, they were really sun faded, and the top strip, which is now completely restored. Looking great. Everything looks great. So I do recommend it, and it is do recommend trying it out. It's the Car Guys Plastic Restore. I'm not sponsored by any of them. I'm just trying it out. This is the first time I've done this as well, so I think I did everything right, hopefully. But until next time, I do have LEDs coming in the mail, so I'm going to be replacing the projectors with LEDs. So that'll probably be my next video, replacing the projectors. So yeah, stay tuned for that. They'll probably be in about next week or so. Anyways, guys, take it easy. Get to restoring some plastic. Stay jamming. I'm out of here.